I feel really confused about deciding what I want to do as a career.
I think it's very nerve-wracking just because everything seems to be changing a lot.
The classroom curriculum isn't catching up, and in fact the gap between the movement in the job market and what they're expected to do at A level and for public exams, that gap is getting wider and wider and wider.
We have 3 workshops on offer at InvestIN. We have our assessment centre, which is what we're running today. We cover psychometric testing, in-tray exercises, group activities, presenting. And this just takes students through start to finish a mock assessment centre process. We then have our Recruitment Ready workshop, and that's more about the wider recruitment process. So everything from the application and the CV, right through to interview, through to securing a placement. And then we've got Industry Insights, which is an hour spotlight on 5 of the most competitive careers in the world today. So from medicine through to engineering to more creative industries.
We're learning about the hiring process and different ways to make us stand out and appeal to people when looking for jobs.
And we were given a hypothetical email from like a boss for someone we're doing work experience for, and it had a list of tasks that we needed to do throughout the day, and we had to work as a team to come up with how we were going to manage our time. It really helped us work with like communication and time management.
Just ignoring all of these like career sort of workshops kind of stuff, it's just going to mean that you're going to get thrown into like a big mess once you leave school. Because I have a lot of like classmates and friends, and when they talk about their career, they seem very unsure, and if they don't know what they're doing, but I feel like I do because of this experience.
The pupils' feedback was so unbelievably positive that the people conducting the polls thought that the pupils were lying, that somehow they were coerced to give an answer that wasn't genuine because they couldn't believe it was so positive.